Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to braid a beautiful 7-stranded flat braid. Here you can see the pattern of the braid. It has an under 1 sequence on the sides and an over 4 sequence at the center. Such a braid, in my opinion, is excellent for bracelets, belts, hand loops for whips, things like that. The braid is done out of 7 strands. The initial setup is 4 strands on the right, 3 on the left. For the best result, do your braid as tightly as you can. We begin on the right, under 1, over 2, bringing our strand to the bottom on the left. On the left, we go over 1, under 2, bringing our strand to the bottom on the right. Then we repeat the same thing on the right. So under 1, over 2. Then on the left, again repeat over 1, under 2. That's it. Right, under 1, over 2. Left, over 1, under 2. Right, under 1, over 2. Left, over 1, under 2. So guys, that's it for now. A quick tutorial on a simple yet beautiful braid. Thank you for joining me and see ya next time.